In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ClickUp. Tags are a quick, color-coded way to label your tasks so you can filter, search, and scan your work faster. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to create and apply tags, plus a few tips to keep everything consistent. First, log into ClickUp and open your workspace. From there, head to a list where you manage tasks. If you're not already in list view, switch to it so you can clearly see your tasks and columns. To make this easy to follow, let's create a sample task. Click to add a new task. Give it a simple name you'll recognize, and then save it. After saving, open the task so you can see its details panel. This is the first place you can create a tag. Inside the task, look for the tags area. If it's empty, click it to add one. Type the name you want for your tag. Aim for short, clear labels like priority, design, or client, so they're easy to reuse across tasks. Before you create it, pick a color that stands out and means something to your team. Consistent color choices help everyone recognize categories at a glance. When you're happy with the name and color, click Create. You'll see the tag appear on the task, and if you change the color, it updates immediately. That's it for method 1. When you're done, close the task window to return to your list. There's also a second way to add a new tag right from the list view. Find the tags column for your task. Hover your mouse near the plus icon to reveal tag options. Click to add a new tag, give it a name, choose a color, and confirm. You'll see it appear next to the task in the list. This method is great when you're working through multiple tasks and want to tag them quickly without opening each one. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Use a simple naming convention so tags stay tidy and searchable. Keep colors meaningful and consistent, especially for categories like priority or department. And remember, once a tag exists, you can apply it to any task with just a click, which saves time and keeps your workspace organized. That's all you need to create and apply tags in ClickUp.